In this episode, we'll install your first agent so VRadar can monitor your devices. Open the Install Agent tab in the navigation sidebar. You'll see installation guides for 3 operating systems: Linux, Windows, and macOS. Each operating system has its own install command, pre-generated with your tenant authentication token. Just copy the command and paste it into a terminal on the machine you want to monitor. Installation takes about 2 minutes and automatically registers the agent into your tenant group. Once installed, switch to the Devices tab to confirm the agent is online. You'll see the new device appear in the list with a green online status. From this moment on, every security alert on that device flows back to VRadar in real time.